Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable US connections data on your LinkedIn Learning app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on my Learning down here. So then come to this list here and you click here on your name. When you click on it, it's going to take you to your profile here. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then you go down here and you click here on account settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. You just switch into open video. So it's going to take a time. Then you click here on advertising data and come to this list here. You click here on connections and come to this list. You come here to use connections data. Click in this sign. That like you see this color show for us, that's Milios connections data enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.